Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money through social media in 2024? Social media isn't just about scrolling through endless feeds anymore. It's a dynamic platform teeming with opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs like you. But where do you start? How can you turn those likes and follows into cold, hard cash? Today, we're diving deep into the realm of social media entrepreneurship. From becoming a micro-influencer to selling your own digital products, we've got you covered with the latest strategies and insights to help you thrive in the digital landscape. So without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, become a micro-influencer. Are you passionate about a particular topic or niche? Do you have a modest following on social media? Then you're already halfway there to becoming a micro-influencer. With as little as 1,000 followers, you can start monetizing your social media presence. Brands are eager to collaborate with micro-influencers due to their authentic connections with their audience. Whether it's fashion, fitness, or food, there's a niche market waiting for your expertise. As your following grows, so does your earning potential. It's time to leverage your influence and turn your passion into profit. Number 2, partner with brands. Unlock the power of collaboration by partnering with brands on social media. Whether you're a content creator or influencer, brand partnerships offer a lucrative opportunity to monetize your online presence. By aligning with brands that resonate with your audience, you can create authentic and engaging content that drives results. From sponsored posts to product collaborations, the possibilities are endless. Plus, working with brands not only boosts your credibility, but also opens doors to new opportunities and audiences. So pitch your unique value proposition and start building lasting partnerships that benefit both you and the brands you collaborate with. Number 3, become an affiliate partner. Are you looking for a passive way to earn income on social media? Consider becoming an affiliate partner. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services on your social media channels. It's like being a brand ambassador, but with a financial incentive. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its accessibility. You don't need to create your own products or invest in inventory. Instead, you leverage your influence to drive sales for other businesses. Whether it's fashion, beauty, or technology, there's an affiliate program for almost every niche. By strategically sharing your unique referral codes and links with your audience, you can earn a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate link. With the right partnerships and marketing tactics, affiliate marketing can become a reliable source of passive income, allowing you to monetize your social media presence without the hassle of product creation or fulfillment. Number 4, sell your own products. Ready to take your social media presence to the next level? Consider selling your own products directly on your social channels. Social commerce has revolutionized the way businesses reach and engage with customers, making it easier than ever to sell products online. Whether you're a craftsperson, artist, or entrepreneur, social media platforms offer a powerful platform to showcase and sell your creations. From handmade goods to digital downloads, the possibilities are endless. By leveraging features like Instagram Shopping and Facebook Marketplace, you can turn your social media profiles into virtual storefronts, reaching customers where they already spend their time. Plus, selling your own products allows you to retain full control over your brand and profit margins. With the right marketing strategy and product offerings, you can tap into the lucrative world of social commerce and turn your passion into profit. Number 5, sell your own merch. Are you ready to turn your brand into a lifestyle? Consider selling your own merchandise on social media. Whether you're an influencer, content creator, or small business owner, merchandising offers a unique opportunity to engage with your audience and monetize your brand. From apparel to accessories, merchandise allows you to extend your brand beyond digital content and into the physical world. Plus, selling merch is a great way to diversify your revenue streams and build a loyal fan base. By leveraging platforms like Shopify and Teespring, you can create custom products and sell them directly to your followers. With the right designs and marketing strategy, you can turn your merch store into a thriving business. So put your logo on everything and watch your brand come to life with every sale. Number 6, offer coaching or mentorship. Do you have expertise or knowledge that others can benefit from? Consider offering coaching or mentorship services on social media. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, There's a demand for guidance and support in every niche. By leveraging your expertise and experience, you can help others achieve their goals and overcome challenges. Whether it's business strategy, personal development, or career advice, coaching allows you to make a meaningful impact on others while monetizing your skills. Plus, offering coaching services is a flexible way to earn income on your own terms. Whether you prefer one-on-one sessions, group coaching programs, or online courses, there are endless opportunities to connect with clients and create value. So, if you're passionate about helping others succeed, why not turn your knowledge into profit and become a coach or mentor on social media? Number 7. Sell online courses or eBooks. Looking for a passive income stream that leverages your expertise? Consider creating and selling online courses or eBooks on social media. Whether you're an expert in business, finance, health, or personal development, there's an audience eager to learn from you. By packaging your knowledge into digital products, you can reach a global audience and generate recurring revenue while you sleep. Whether it's a comprehensive course or a downloadable ebook, digital products offer a scalable way to monetize your expertise. Plus, selling online courses and ebooks allows you to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build a loyal following. With the right marketing strategy and platform, you can turn your passion for teaching into a profitable business. So, dust off your keyboard and start creating content that educates, inspires, and empowers your audience. Number 8. Make and sell digital products. In a digital world, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a graphic designer, photographer, or coder, there's a market for your digital creations. From stock photos to design templates, digital products offer a scalable way to monetize your skills and expertise. By leveraging platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, you can create and sell digital products to customers around the world. Whether it's a customizable design template or a digital download, digital products offer a passive income stream that requires minimal upfront investment. Plus, selling digital products allows you to showcase your creativity and talent to a global audience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's never been a better time to monetize your digital skills. So, unleash your creativity and start making digital products that sell themselves. There you have it, 8 proven strategies to make money on social media in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting out, there's never been a better time to monetize your social media presence. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your income soar. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.